Hola!
Oo, Eko, ano bang kahinatnan ng role mo dito? Parang you are torn between two lovers,
Stress ka?
'di ba?
Maganda yung maganda yung thank you so much. Maganda yung yung kahihinatnan nung nung character ko dito
Ni
kasi
Tyron.
oo, medyo siya hinaharap niya na yung mga inaayos niya na yung mga naging pagkakamali niya Kahit na medyo parang hindi nangyayari.
Oo.
Hindi niya naaayos lahat.
Oo.
So nagkakaroon ng may mga taong nahuhulog. May
Yeah.
mga tao na nasisira dahil gusto niyang ayusin yung mga mali niya.
Yeah.
So parang may feeling na it's too late. Parang medyo ganun which makes it exciting. So enjoy talaga ako dun sa character ko na yun.
Parang this is the first time, no, na ganyang ka-deep yung character mo. Or
First time, yes. For me, you're right. Correct. Yes. Kung sa pagkasimple lang ng explanation, it's really my pinaka-deepest dive in terms of characterization because sobrang mature nung niya. Sobrang mature nung decisions and actions and situations na niya kasi magmula sa integridad, alam mo yun, papunta sa moralidad, parang ganun na yung niya, ganun na yung lalim niya. Oo. Ano ba yung tamang gawin? So, parang nagsimula yung character ko is like siya yung tao na parang pinili niya yung mali, ayaw niya na yung mali. So lahat ng gagawin niya ngayon para ayusin yung mga pagkakamali niya. Pero bawat kilos niya lagi pa rin may nangyayaring masama. Parang ganyan.
pero as
Sacrifice.
Jericho, agree ka sa lahat ng pinagagawa ni Tyron. Agree ka doon sa transformation niya na nagbalik loob na siya, nagbago na, parang he's changing his ways.
I don't necessarily have to judge every character that I play. Parang para sa akin, it's very limiting if I judged every character. Pero me as a person, I think there's a big part of me na kay Tyron in terms of ano yung gagawin ko, ano yung gagawin niya, tama ba to or mali ba to. The fun part is that when I don't agree with his actions but I have to do it dun sa show namin, so that means I'm really playing my character. Parang ganun siya para sa akin. May mga parts na hindi ko siya naiintindihan, may mga parts na hindi ko siya mag-agree sa kanya, may mga parts na mag-agree ako sa kanya, but I will never judge this character for what it is. Just the same way as for me as a person, I will never judge myself or even the part of me that judges myself. So parang ganun. As an actor, that's my rule.
So
Yeah.
after Lavender Fields, what's next for you?
Doing a film in February, a movie, then perhaps another movie, and there might be if umabot, there might be a show with Janine this year also. In-announce nga nila yun di ba? But we did the presentation last quarter of 2024. I think November, December. Baka December. November yata yun. November yun because good things always happen to me in November.
Sa teleserye.
I think right now it's too early to say kung ano yung, but it's definitely a series. Pero kung 8-part episodic na series or longer. Hindi, Cell Block's done na So, it's been, nasa oven na siya, pinapatuyo na siya ng 2 taon na alam mo yun? Kasi, siya
Why that long?
Because some projects take that long because of
talaga?
the sound, because of the what do you call this? A lot of reasons.
But it's talagang papalabas naman yun.
Yeah, it's a finished product
Finished product.
Oh. Well, you know, marami na ako naging shows na tinapos ko hindi pinalabas for some reasons, but I don't see it not happening because nakakasana yan eh.
Oo.
Natapos na namin lahat eh. Parang ganun. And then recently we had news that tapos na sa some like audio or film or grading. So color grading. So yeah. So yun, and then for this iba yon yung sa amin ni Janine if matuloy siya this year. But we said yes to that because we liked the story and we really like the people behind it. Yung mga gagawa nito because they're legends. So I was like, wow, okay talaga. Game, honored. Then thank you. Perhaps another concert or like towards the end of the year siguro. But it's just for me it's film and music in priority for this year. Yeah.
If meron kang merong something na i-admire ka kay Tyrone, ano yun? And kung meron ka nang i-hate sa kanya, ano yun?
Wow. Let's begin with hate. Strong word. Because he was weak siya in terms of wanting power, enjoying power and wealth as a shortcut sa buhay niya. He wanted wealth, he wanted power, it was there with the Benavides. And then ayaw niya pala. Then he decided, ayaw ko na. But then again, I love him for that because sino mang hindi nagkakamali sa buhay, 'di ba? Kamali siya eh. So that makes him human. So I love it. I love that about him. And then the bravery that came after, the integrity. When he thought that there was nothing for him, he chose integrity instead. Or yung ano niya, 'di ba? Ito yung tamang gawin eh. Ayusin ko na lang. Ayoko na nitong buhay na hindi na kaya ng konsensya ko to. So he has this kind of like incorruptible spirit na kahit na na-tarnish ng sobrang tagal, nangibabaw pa rin sa kanya yun. I wanna do the right thing now. Even if it costs me my life. Parang gano'n. His life. Yeah. So I admired that about him.
Is the ending expected ng audience? Unexpected? Twisted?
Depende sa'yo. I mean, if you're experienced enough to watch shows, then you'll say, there might be parts of it that you'll say, alam ko na yung mangyayari dito. But, again, a wheel is a wheel. And, for me, paano yung approach? Diba? Paano yung approach mo dun sa wheel? And then,
Tapos na ba in the first place?
Tapos na.
Tapos na, okay.
Tagal na kami nag-wrap
Okay.
up na kami. But for me, may maraming parts unexpected, maraming parts that you can expect to happen. Parang ganyan. But I don't think yun yung important for this one. I think the important part is like, okay, tell us if you think that okay ba yung ginawa ng mga characters dito or ng mga actors dito, and we welcome everything.
Ano yung most memorable scene for you pala?
Scene was first memorable scene was I told them beginning and end also. Beginning is yung kami ni it was the scene inside the house where nirescue ko yung kaibigan ko from Victor Neri's character. And then yung scene namin ni Jody, si Marcos. And then yung scene namin ni Jody na sinabi ko sa kanya, sinabi ng character ko, hindi naman tayo eh. Where Tyrone had to break her heart just to end things. And then yung scene namin ni I also love the scene with Iris and Tyrone nung first time nila nagkita ulit. Ano ba yan? First time nila nakita ulit na parang bumalik ka pa, hayop ka, di ba? I wanna kill you. Parang gano'n. Then the last ones, medyo nandito na sa may bandang dulo na bago lumabas yung hindi pa pinapalabas eh. Hindi pa pinapalabas. But I really, really enjoyed this character. Kasi tagal ko nang mingi ng ganyan eh, na medyo hindi na ako
Edgy.
good boy. Yung gano'n. Nagkaroon kami ng film presentation sa mga pitches para sa akin. with my friend. And then, you know, producers and writers came. When I said, okay, babalik na ako, mag-start na ulit ako, you know, I wanna produce and act and everything. So bring in the stories. And then yung dumating sa akin, laging either may pare, may daddy, may, alam mo yun, lahat, puro mga anghel, mababait na ganito. Sabi ko, teka lang. Cut, take two. We called in, you know, we said, we want dark, we want gritty, we want all of this, mga exciting parts. And for the series, ito yung in-offer, yung Lavender Fields. So sabi ko, oh, okay, that's something. So it's one of the factors na kung bakit, okay, game, sige, gagawa ulit ako ng series, game, sali ako dyan.
Kunwari, in-offer ka, bakla, pero mamamatay tao.
Oh, okay lang.
Okay lang yun?
Oo naman.
Diba?
Yeah.
Oh, parang for a change, di ba?
Yeah.
Oo,
Madami pa.
bakla, tas mamamatay tao pa.
There's always a reason for every character. I mean, I look at what's behind that. Ano yung meron
Your thinking is out of the box.
Oh yeah, hindi mo titingnan yung baso kung baso lang siya, 'di ba? Gusto ko hindi, ano ba yung laman niyan? Dapat ganun. Because you know, after been here 25 years. 26, 27 maybe, I don't know. I can't, you know. Basta I mean like lampas 25 years na. And the stuff that I want to do are like the things that really, you know, would make a dent in someone's life or my life at least, diba?
This is something that will make a dent.
Oh.
Made a dent, di ba? O ngayon, di ba, you were di ba? I was the one who asked, di ba? Ikaw ang tawag dito. Are we on the same wavelength? Tarot. And then, di ba, I was the one who asked the first time, di ba, na... And you readily, said, di ba?
Alin?
Ano alin? You know what I'm talking about? Ano ka ba?
Say it na!
Sige, you're dating, sabi mo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Now, nasaan na napunta?
Sa maganda.
Okay. Tawag dito.
Sa maganda na punta.
So, kayo na.
Well, tanong yan si Janine. Ano ba? Nanggaling na ba siya dito? Ayoko na
Tapos na, hindi. Hindi namin tinanong kasi ikaw nga ang dapat sumagot. You being the man. Di ba sabi ko nga sa'yo na the first time, man.
I have no issues about, I mean, I have no, you know, when it comes to these things, you know me. You know, if my
basta
friends
yun
know
napunta
me,
sa maganda. So,
yeah,
yun
but
na.
I think it deserves like a nice announcement or like prepared na announcement or something.
Okay.
If it calls for that. Parang I don't know.
Mas gusto mo yung gano'n?
But we're you know, we're happy, you know, we like each other so much, diba? And we like our company and it's going so well. And yeah, I like, you know, love being with her. She loves being with me, so nasa maganda siya.
Rock and roll.
Sige na
Thank
niya.
you.
Thank you.
Diba?
Rock and roll.